The 14th of August 2021 earthquake in the southern peninsula of Haiti, the damage was unbearable. After an earthquake, most of the population are in need of everything. So by having access to potable water, that's one thing you could write off your list. There's a lot of places where you could find water in Haiti, but it's just not clean. The river water, the well water, all they need in between is a water filtration system.
It's in our DNA as an organization to help the forgotten ones. These really remote places, it's always an adventure just to get there. We're working with the local Rotary chapter here, which is super key. This is their zone, and we're not gonna pretend to know every nuance about it. Right now, what's happening is basically they're going through their list of the hardest hit families. Those people are coming to get the aid and get the supplies first. The strategy is selecting every third house. So the people in the middle can go to either of their neighbors and fill up and get clean water.
When we're gonna implement a wastewater program in the community, first thing that we do an assessment. Do they have access to water? We talk to them. We explain to them that you could have access in second with a water filter. Then the community accepts the filter into their home. Nurses are telling you we have less cases of waterborne diseases in the clinic. Even though we are responding right now to an earthquake, we have been here since 2010. Doctors and wastewater will not stop working to help the Haitian population to have access to potable water until every single Haitian have access to potable water.